I am orange, rich in vitamin C, and I help support your immune defenses and keep your cells feeling refreshed.
Hello, I am spinach, full of iron and antioxidants, and I help support healthy blood flow and overall vitality.
Hello, I am yogurt, packed with probiotics, and I help support a balanced gut, where much of your immune support begins. Hello, I am almonds, a source of vitamin E and healthy fats, and I help support your cells from everyday stress. Hello, I am garlic, known for my natural compounds, and I help support your body's normal defense processes. Hello, I am blueberries, loaded with antioxidants, and I help support your cells and overall wellness. Hello, I am sweet potato, full of beta-carotene and fiber, and I help support healthy skin and digestion. Hello, I am green tea, rich in plant compounds, and I help support calm energy and overall body balance.
Now, you see that type of video you just watch right now. People are blowing up right now just by posting this type of video you just watch right now. People are making massive money right now. People are getting massive views right now on Facebook, on TikTok, and even on YouTube. Now, this account you are seeing here get millions of views just by posting the type of video you just watched moments ago. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can also create something amazing like this so that you can blow up your Instagram account, your TikTok account, your Facebook account, or your YouTube account. You can be creating something like this because this is what is trending right now. This type of video is going viral right now. And you can also do something like this. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step method how you can create something amazing like this. Without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it. But first, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel and today is the first time you are coming across this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when there's to drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's get started. So the first thing you are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT. Now on ChatGPT, you click on this plus icon. Now you click on add photos. Now you are going to upload this image. This image, I'm going to be leaving down this image on my Telegram channel. This image contains all the master prompts you need to start your video. So make sure you check my Telegram channel, and the link to my Telegram channel is going to be in the description of this video. You are going to get this image. Now when you upload this image to ChatGPT, what you just need to write is write me the full text. This is what you need to write to ChatGPT, and you click on continue. And ChatGPT is going to analyze the image and write you everything. Yes, it's going to analyze it. It's still analyzing the image, and after it analyzes the image, it's going to write you everything you need to get this video started. So don't forget, the link, the image is going to be on my Telegram channel. Now, as you can see, it's writing everything for me. Now, as you can see, it's writing everything. All we need is writing it out. So make sure you follow. Now, it has write everything out for us, as you can see. Today, you will meet the earth food inside the body, as you can see everything. Now, orange, Spanish, all these things, garlic, all these things. You can decide to change this. You can decide to change it. If you want to change it, you can decide to change it. But if you want to work with anything, it will give you your own. If you use the master prompt, you use the image, it will give you your own. Now, the next thing we are going to do again here, we are going to write, okay, write me the image prompt for each scene, and also image to video prompt. With dialogue. With dialogue for each scene. Now we click on continue. Now, ChatGPT is going to write us image to video prompt, image prompt, everything, so that we can get started with our video. So make sure you are following up. All you need is just that image. That image contains a lot of things, the prompt, master prompt. So all you just need is just to get that. Now, after you get that, you are going to see your script like this. As you can see, this is the scene 1. Here, as you can see, this is the orange, this is the image prompt, this is the video prompt with the dialogue. Now, this is image scene 2. As you can see, this is scene 3, scene 4. You are going to see everything. Garlic, as you can see, you are going to see everything. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to create our image. We have to create our image before we create our image to video. And to create our image, we'll be using Flow. So we'll be using Flow to do this. We'll be using Flow. You search on Google Flow and you are going to see something like this. As you can see, Flow. You click on Flow Lab Google. So we are going to be using Flow. You can use any AI tool you want to use. You can use any AI tool to create your image. But I want to use Flow in this video. Then you click on Create with Flow. Now we are going to sign in a new account so that I'm going to show you how you are going to create those images and also how you are going to turn these images to video. Now this is Flow. We are going to do, we click on Create New Project. So now we are going to be copying our first image prompt here. We'll come back to ChatGPT and we are going to copy our first image prompt. This is our first image prompt. We copy here. We click on copy, then we'll go back to Flow and we are going to paste our prompt here. Now, as you can see, make sure you select here, create image. Make sure you put it create image. Now, the next thing you select, click here to select your ratio. Now, we need it to be on landscape. We want it to be on landscape. If you are using it for YouTube, you're supposed to select 9.16. But if you are using it for TikTok, you're supposed to select 9.16. If you are using it for YouTube, you're supposed to select 16.9. So now, after you select it here, your output, you can change it to 1, you can change it to 2. I'll leave it in 2 so that I'll select the one I want. Now, your model, you can select Nano Banana Pro. Then after you select, the next thing you are going to do is to click on generate here. As you can see, generate here, you click on generate. Now, when you click on generate, Flow is going to generate the image for you in less than 1 minute. So let's give it some time and it's going to generate this image. You can use another image model, another AI to generate your image. You can use ImageFS, you can use Whisk AI, you can use Nano Banana, you can even use ChatGPT to generate your image. Any AI tool you feel like using to generate your image, you can use it. All you just have to do, like if you want to use Whisk AI, you go back to Google here and you type on Whisk AI. And when you search for Whisk AI, they are going to bring it for you and you start using Whisk AI. You can also use Whisk AI to generate your image. If you like, you can use Whisk AI. But I just prefer using for this video. Now, this is the image it generated for. Let me use Whisk AI and generate the same image using the same prompt. And let's compare this image together and see the one that will give us the base image. Now, let's paste our prompt we copied a moment ago. Let's select our ratio, we'll put it in 16.9, then we click on generate so that it's going to generate the image for us and we're going to compare this image together. Now let me click on lab so that I can be able to view the image it generated for us. Click on images so that we can be able to see the image. Now we are going to compare this image. Now this, as you can see, this image, let me zoom the image so that you are going to see the image. This is the image we got from Whisk AI, as you can see. This is the image we got from Whisk AI. Now let's check the image we got from Flow. This is the image we got from Flow. So as you can see, this is the image. I don't think maybe you guys are seeing it. This is the image, but this is the image. We got 2 results. So we can decide to save anyone and use it. So for example, let me use this first one here. This one, I'll click on download so that I can download with 2K. That is why I use Flow. Yes, you can download up to 2K. You click on download and the image is going to download to our phone. Now, after the image has successfully downloaded, the next thing we are going to do is to go to Grok AI where we'll be making the image to video. So the next thing we are going to do, let's click on next page here and we click on Grok here. We click on Grok AI where we'll be making our video. So this is Grok AI. We click on Grok AI and Grok AI is going to open. right now. Make sure you are following, and if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you will also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now this is Grok AI is opening. Sorry, my network is very slow, but it's going to. Now the next thing you are going to do on Grok AI, you click on imagine here, and when you click on imagine, the next thing you are going to do is to click on where you upload your image. Click on attach here. Sorry, we click on here and we click on upload file. Now the image we just download, which will make from flow. This is the image. We click on upload the image, upload the image. Now after we successfully upload the image, we get our image to video prompt. Now let's go back to ChatGPT. Now we are copying our image to video prompt. As you can see, this is our image to video prompt with the dialogue. We copy everything, then we come back to Grok AI. Is still uploading our image. And the next thing we are going to do is to click on paste here. We paste our prompt and we click on generate. And in less than 1 minute, Grok AI is going to generate our video for us from image to video. And this is free. So in less than 1 minute, Grok AI has generated the video for us. Let me play the video so that you guys are going to see the video, how the video sound. Now, as you can see, this is how the video sound. This is our result. So you can do this to the rest of the script, the scene. All you just have to do, you copy it one by one, you generate your image, and after generating image, all the images, you also generate image to video prompt following the dialogue and everything, and it's going to generate. So this is how you are going to do it step by step, and you'll be posting it on your social media account like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and you'll be getting massive view the way people are getting right now. Now you have seen how you are going to create the entire video scene. You are seeing everything. So after you successfully create everything together, you can decide to go to any editing tool. You can use CapCut, you can use Insight, any video editing tool, so that you can edit the video together. You match everything together and you add a transition and you export your videos. And by then, you can be posting your videos on TikTok or on WhatsApp or Facebook or any social media platform, and you'll be getting massive views. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Thank you for watching our video. See you on our next video.